Windows everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can actually make a relationship between two files in Python. Before starting action, I want you to subscribe and press like to my video. Let's get started. So as you can see, pycharm is opening. Sometimes it takes, I don't know, 1 minute, or sometimes it's less than 1 minute. Alright, as you can see guys, we have to select the Python interpreter. Why it just happened, we just started from 0 because I didn't even created anything. So you have to create one folder and rename it anything which you want. Then you have to create one text file, any text file, or you can do it through pycharm. I'm doing it .py and I'm gonna just, rename it tutorial. That's all. And then I will press on this tutorial, and then we have to go to our Python. We have to trust our project first, as you can see. So then everything is really easy. You have to create here the Python file and name it just like whatever you want. We can actually give a name 123 I'm sorry. All right, that's all. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually make a relationship between tutorial and 234 pycharm, I mean the Python. Well, to do that you have to go here and let's just write here, print hello world. I want to show you that everything is really easy. All you need to do is just listen me more attentively. These courses are absolutely free and it will be free. Maybe in the future I will do some, I will add the join buttons, but unless it's free, just come and watch it. You have to create some folder. In my case I'm gonna name it fgh, and let's write here input and right here choose. If you don't know nothing about pycharm, I don't advise you to do what I'm doing. Go to my first videos and learn from these videos. So let's just create one command. If fgh will be equal to the 1, then we have to print, we have to write here a equals print. That's gonna be more intelligent, I think, right? Yeah, I think everything is okay. Print a. So program is not gonna understand what the a mean. That's why it will show you that you have a mistake. In our case it doesn't show us that we have a mistake. I don't know why, but I'm gonna show you now how to do that. You have to write import, I'm sorry, you have to write from 234. We have to, oh yeah, we got a mistake. So mistake is that never ever name file with number if you're using or doing program. Let's just name it lime. Yeah, it's cute, lime, awesome. From lime we have to import a.
Nice.
Yeah, seems like it's gonna work. So now we have to write else print to make it more grammarly. Wrong, I'm sorry, wrong, yeah. So now let's just start our tutorial. Yeah, as you can see, choose, and if we will choose a 1, we're gonna see wrong. So we got mistake. So mistake is that. So we can't write here just print hello world and just show me. All right, it's just can't be real. I'm gonna show you this. So I'm making video naturally to show you what you have to do actually. Input, let's do it. Input hello world, awesome. When you are just right here hello world, you go into the tutorial and then you print a. So now check this out, that this is going to work. So another mistake which we made, we can't use input if we're gonna use numbers. So you know that if you're using a number, you have to write int then input, just like I'm gonna show you how. Look, just like this. If you are going to give a number to the any file which you created here, you have to write int, or if you work with another numbers, you have to write float or complex object. All right, then you have to write here input, and then you have to write something. So you got me. So then let's just start our program. Let's look our condition hello world, and let's just write here 1. No, I'm sorry, I just talked about my mistake and I did it again. AA, that's all. And AA needs to be in this sign, awesome. Now we're gonna start it again. AA, as you can see, choose. Now we're gonna choose. All right, so actually we actually get this, you know what? So that's why we have to write here def AAA. Let's just create a folder. Def is real folder, A is box. All right, now if we will just, print hello world, now you're gonna see how easy it is. 4 A's, right? 4 A's, A, and A. That's all. Yeah, everything works. It's okay. So it's going to, A, and this. I'll write it like this, and yeah, that's awesome. Let's look if that actually works or no. We're gonna stop program, and we're gonna, as you can see, we're gonna choose AA, hello world, and none. So it's actually normal when you're using a def, then you get none. It's normal. So as you can see, guys, my goal was explain you how this system actually works, how to make a relationship between two Py files. Now you know. So this is a, let's say that this is our source where we are just writing, and let's just try else. So choose if we will write anything there. As you can see, you're gonna see wrong. So my mistake was that I just wrote print hello world. It's just like you just wanna put water to the glass, but you just spilled water. But in this condition, when I'm just creating a def folder, I did everything true. So now I'm gonna show you from Lime import AAAA. As you can see, this can be everything. So that means we are making a relationship between Lime and tutorial Py, or you can actually rename it whatever you want. But if you don't know enough information, if you don't have enough information about pycharm, if you're a new starter, don't do that blindly. Just go and learn the comments. Also, you can write in comments whatever you want, about computer, about Python, about your computer problems. So my channel, I'm always publishing solving the computer problems, making videos for you, and I will make videos for you. So as you can see, guys, this was our little simple but important Python video. And you know what I want to say, a lot of creators, Python creators, always create like this, a lot of Py files and make them in one, making a relationship. That is more grammarly than write a biggest code here with 1,000 comments. It's not grammarly actually. When you are selling your program which you made to the people, first of all, that guy looking at your grammar. If it's really great programmer, he will look at your the grammarly work. So if you just spilled water to the ground, he's not gonna of course buy it. He will start to lower the price which you put on this product. So that's why I'm prefer you to work more grammarly. For example, here's a Lime, you have to create more and more if you want to work great. So thank you guys for watching. I think that you got information, because this video was really great, I think, and you got some information. So press like, press subscribe, share. See you next time.